Now I'm going to explain regarding joins in PySpark. So similarly, how we have in SQL, we have joins here as well. So let us explore one by one. So first of all, I am creating a data frames. Okay, these are the two tables: employee table and department table.
So today you are going to explain joins in Spark,
Joins.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you help me from the starting from login or something like that file you have stored, something like that, little bit in
Okay,
detail?
so once I log in, right?
Okay, yeah, you can log in.
So this is the page I will be getting. So I browse the files and I have uploaded it.
Okay, so these are all tables you have created, right? In what format? It's just
File format.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this is the
Kiran,
part.
you open that file and show them so that they can understand what type of data that is.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm new to the session. So is this a continuation of previous sessions or the?
No, there's no continuation to each day. I mean each week. So each week we are going to discuss a new topic. So you can, it's okay for you. You can go ahead and design.
Okay.
So these are the files which I uploaded. Okay, employee and
We are able to see only your first screen, but not your files. I mean, I just opened the text file where you stored, save the data so that
Yeah.
can understand.
So you want me to show from here itself?
Correct. This is the actual data, right? Source data that you want to.
Yeah.
Senthil, is it clear, Senthil? Those are the two files that he created and showing us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I have created data frame using those two files, and these are the tables. Okay.
So why you are seeing -1 in a superior employee ID?
No, this is just a dummy, some data I took. It can be anything.
Okay.
Yeah. So first let us see the inner join. So here the syntax for the join is so we need to have the data frame dot join the other data frame, and after that we need to provide on what condition we are joining both the data frames. So here we are joining both the data frames with the department ID. So df1 department ID, df2 department ID. Okay. After that we need to provide what is the type of join we are going to perform. So here we are performing inner join, so we need to mention inner. Okay, this is how we generally will create. So as you know, if we inner join, if we do inner join, so it will join on both the on the data which is having common on both the tables based on the condition which we provided. So here we can see, so the department ID 10, 20, 40 we got output, but here you can see there is a, in this table we can see there is a department ID with 50. Since we are doing inner join, so we got only the common department IDs from both the tables. Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. So next, let us check outer. Similarly, here we have mentioned outer since we are doing outer join. So here we will get all the data from both the tables. For suppose you can see here, right? We got the data from both the tables, but for there is no value for any data. It will be replaced with null. As you can see here, department ID 50 is there, but we don't have it on this department name, right? So we got null.
Okay.
So we got 50 as well, but we got department name and department ID as null. Similarly, if we see this record, so in department ID, sales and 30 is present, but that respective department ID is not present in the employee table. So all the values got replaced with null. So basically, we are getting all the data from both the tables. Okay.
Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah. So next we are going for left join. So I mentioned as left. So here left join means suppose here we are doing df1 join df2, right? So this is df1 is considered as left table and df2 is considered as right table. So we will get all the data present in the left table, that is df1, and common data from df2. But for the records which are not present, which is present in df1 and is not present in df2, for those values we will get null. Okay, so all these records are present in both the tables. This record is present only in left table, so we got this data, but this is not present in right table, so we got null value. So next, this is the right join. So these are the similar to left join, quite opposite. Since so here we'll get all the data from right table and common data from left table. So from department table we got all the data, but from this table we got null values since it is not present in the left. This is the left table.
Oh, correct.
Okay, next it is left semi. Similar to left join, but what is the difference between left join and left semi is in left join we will be getting all the data from left table and also from the right table, the matching records. But for the non-matching records we will get null. Here we will be getting only the matching records from the left table. All the non-matching records will be removed. So let me show you the difference.
So you're trying to explain what is the difference between left join and left
Left
semi?
join and left semi. So here you can see in the left join we got data from both the tables. If you see here left semi, we got only from left table, but since for this record there is no data on the right table, we didn't get this for department 50. So what are the data present in left table? Only for those things we are getting output. So this left hand is quite opposite to left semi. So we will get it will return only the column which is not present in right. I mean the left table. So here what for if when comparing df1 and df2, so this is the ID which is not present in right table. So we are getting output for that particular row.
Kiran, you are also in this group for a couple of months, right?
Yes, Sindhil.
Okay. I think Ritesh and you, myself, are for a couple of months. So, and
Yeah.
you initially practiced the scoop and hive, right? And then you are now looking into the PySpark, right?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I will get in touch with you. Yeah. Like
Sure.
I'm also following these things, but sometimes I got stuck, and yeah, we'll do it. So how long in PySpark? How long you are working, checking on these things? Like
PySpark, I haven't done much actually.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you are starting
Like
here.
I have basics of this data frames.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So have you tried the like a file conversion, the CSV to Yavro file, PerQ file, something
No,
like that?
no, I haven't tried.
Okay, okay. So joins is one of the important thing, and like the other conversions are also very important as part of the work as well. So yeah, maybe
Okay.
we'll try that as well. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
And Kiran, thanks for your topic.
Is there any WhatsApp group so that I can join that?
Yeah, WhatsApp group is there, and already many people are there in our group. So you do one thing after this call, please send an email with your mobile number so that I will try to add. Okay.